This graph represents the unemployment in Mexico on the last years. It shows results from September 2012 to September 2013, where it can be seen a slight increase on the unemployment percentage. This data represents either women or men, although it is noted that regarding women, there was a higher increase in that percentage. I have a dream too. I have a dream that one day this nation will have the opportunities it deserves. I have a dream that one day people will fight for what they need and believe. I have a dream that one day our governors will use their power to help the people by giving them what they need. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our rights will be respected. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, we will be able to develop and grow because there won't be any misery and unemployment. This will be the day when this nation finds the inner power it has, the power to do something about it. And finally, our beautiful nation will rise beyond the sky to demonstrate the world how perfect we can be. Thank you very much.